friends, what's up? Today's video, since you guys liked my biryani making video so much, too much actually, I thought that I would go back to basics and try to make roti for the first time in my freaking life. I don't think I've ever made roti, if I think about it. I've like warmed naan in the microwave and then put it on the tawa and shit, but I've never like gunding the atta or like making the pedis of the rotis and shit. I haven't done that. Mom is upstairs. I have no idea where to even begin for this. I know we have to mix the flour and the water together, and then you have to like, you know, do that. We have one of those like KitchenAid things, you know, those fancy KitchenAid things. We have that, but I'm trying to be authentic in this one, so we're gonna use hands. Always putting me down. Okay, what is a lot of stuff?
Okay, so figure out what you.
Okay, I need to gund the atta. How much atta and how much water?
That you have to figure out. You always.
Mom, how am I supposed to know if you don't even help me? She's not helping at all.
This one is better.
Okay. And I take my rings out. We are using Golden Temple Durham flour blend. 1 cup, 2 cups of the atta. So we got 2. You guys put salt and oil in your rotis, yo? We are not gonna do that.
But you have to mix it. Keep it. Yeah, डालो और डालो. अभी तो तुम्हें पता है ना, इतने से तो वो लेटी नहीं बनेगा ना.
Okay. More. So we gotta make a dough. But how do you know what kind of dough? What if you make it too thin or too thick? How would you know?
You have to know. That's why you put slowly water. You don't just dump water in it.
The atta is the gunding right now. It's still too dry. So basically the one thing that I learned about all kind of desi food, you guys, is that there's no exact measurements for anything. No, you can do that measurement. Is this supposed to be sticky?
Yeah, you can put a little bit oil, then it won't be that sticky. Okay.
With both mukke?
Yeah.
And then what do you do?
Do it.
But what do you do with it? What is the purpose of this?
तो वो neat हो जाएगा ना, उससे वो हर चीज mix होने लग जाएगी.
And this is so funny. And then I fold it and do it again?
Yeah, do it again.
I just remember you doing this stuff. I don't remember why you did it.
Leave it now like that.
So we're supposed to leave the atta in here and leave it for like a few minutes, and then you're supposed to gund it again with your knuckles, and then we're gonna make the pedis, right? Huh? There's a trick to making pedis? Pedi?
Pedis.
Pedi?
Pede, yeah.
Pede. The pedis. Pede. Alright, I've been saying that wrong. Okay, so then we're gonna make the pede, and then, which is like the dough balls, and then we're gonna try to make some round rotis and stuff. I don't think I've told you guys yet that my mom has a channel now. Mama has an Urdu channel, so you guys need to go subscribe. I'll have the link down below in the comment section or in the description box. But she's gonna be posting videos, and they already pre-filmed a bunch. They're all gonna be done in Urdu, so if you can understand Urdu and Hindi, go ahead and subscribe to that channel. We'll be on that channel a lot too. When my dad comes home, he'll be on there. We'll all be doing just random stuff. Okay, so now we got another bowl, and mom says to put some atta in this.
Yeah, or.
That much? Okay, mama, you just, okay, so that much. And what is this for?
Just make for your pedi.
My pedis?
Yeah.
Oh, mom says to wet my hands and then gundo with my knuckles. And then what?
You can feel it.
Yeah, like it's less sticky. And then roll karke?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Atta is done. Get yourself a rolling pin.
Yeah.
Take some atta and then put it in the, okay.
Bas.
And then
do it.
I know, I remember you used to do like something like this.
Yeah.
And then you did like something like this. Okay, oh, I remember you used to push it in this.
Did you see our video?
No, I just remember watching you. She used to push in all the corners like this, and then make a little point. And then that's your pedi. Yo, mine's beautiful.
Yeah, it's not bad actually. She did well. Okay, just same thing.
You're not. Oh, you do it so much better. So you like squeeze in all the additional shit.
And you should watch UZAIR doing it, like he was doing.
Yeah.
And then Look at my peda. You don't see it.
Wow. Mine's all messed up from this side. And then that's mom's. My pedas are all messed up.
Make it right, otherwise they're not gonna be round roti.
Oh my god. Oh, the pedis have to do with roundness?
Yes.
What? Okay, so you gotta make sure your pedis are round, otherwise your roti won't be round.
Okay, make it tight, like this, tight.
Make it tight.
And then see, it's almost... Do it fast. Do it fast.
Mom, it's so sticky.
How is sticky? You don't put flour on it?
That's round enough. It's like, I don't even know how to describe this movement, but you gotta do this. Oh, I'm getting so good at it. I am a natural roti maker, Mom.
Oh, yeah. People are buying now roti maker.
Wow.
And this is soon the machine coming which can cook Indian sadhan.
What?
And everything.
I want that machine. Will it make me gobi and saag and curry and all of that? You guys, do you see this? I'm not even paying attention and my rotis are killing it. My pedis. You guys want rotis, yo? Biryani and rotis are my specialty right now. Shan packet masala, and this roti is from scratch though. That one was my first one. And then these are mom's. And then these are mine. So from what I remember, you used to do this. See it? And then you used to do, you flatten it out. Huh?
Yeah.
And then you did this.
Oh wow, you remember that. UZAIR to peda rakh ke shuru ho gaya na.
And then, cause you gotta flatten it out. And then you do this?
Yeah.
But see, this is the part that messes up. Cause like...
You don't go that hard, Lava. Go slowly and let it roll by itself.
Oh, you don't press hard at all?
No.
So then?
Then it's... वो खुद ही घूमती है, तुम्हें इसको घुमाने की जरूरत नहीं है, Lava. You see? It's making its own.
Whoa. And then you pick up more and then do this again?
No.
No?
You just roll it and then thappad laakar मैं रोटी को...
Oh yeah, the thappad! I almost forgot about the thappad. Okay, now I do the thappad?
No, now no.
Okay, so can I do the thappad now?
No, thappad तो तवे पे डालते हुए करेंगे, otherwise वो sticky हो जाएंगी रोटी.
Oh! That's kind of round.
It's not bad. Well, remember my rotis before?
They were like crooked and broken and...
I don't know, but for Zaid's channel, I did very well, man. I was so proud myself.
You guys, my mom's rotis were never that round. Nani's were so round. They were like...
You know what? I'm gonna make Nani's मूली के पराठे.
Oh, yum. Okay, so अब कितना करूँ?
बस छोड़ दो. अब दूसरा ना साइड पे रखती जाओ. आटे के ऊपर रखना. हाँ, ऐसे रख दो.
See, I remember I used to watch... I think I used to watch you or Nani, and it was like, what are they doing? This is so weird.
We used to cook a lot of rotis, and then we went on diet shit with Laiva, like exercise, eating healthy.
But you know what? Rotis are not high in calories at all.
Remember that atta bag? We used to get the big one, and now this one comes and we have to throw out.
The atta bag that like you couldn't even carry. My rotis aren't gonna be so round.
I'll try one roti from you.
Okay. Whoa, my rotis are not bad, but they're so chunky.
So nice.
Wow, this one's beautiful.
I'm not scared. I'm pro.
I'm pro. Yeah.
See,
okay, yeah. See, how is it doing
and look
that?
At this. Oh, see, I can't even tell you. Look, my thumb go there like this, and my finger go here.
Oh, and then you just like
just press it a little bit.
Yeah, look, that one came out so round.
You don't have to.
Yeah, that's like a perfect one. This one was my first one, and it's a little crooked up here. But then this was my second one, and that one's my mom's. Do 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 do. Still not that round, but it's fine.
And next time I think so you should do competition.
Yeah, I think so. Oh my god, I'm gonna challenge Sana to a competition. Osama and Sana are the worst people to challenge when it comes to like anything competitive. I don't know how they even survive with each other. What does the chula go on?
Yeah.
High?
Yeah, high. She turned off the camera and say, okay.
It was faster that way, and mom needs to leave in 20 minutes. Okay, so then you let the tawa warm up, and then what? Then you put it back to medium?
No, garam hi rakhna tawa.
Oh, okay. Keep the tawas hot. So I take this. Which one should I take? I'll take this
any
one.
Yeah.
And then?
And then slap it. Zor se. Zor se lava.
Okay, itni zor se, then it's gonna go flying.
नहीं flying नहीं, तरीके से पकड़ के काबू करके लागा. What did? Bus. Don't you think so? It's gonna break now? Rip apart? Oh my god. But,
and then I put it on.
Yeah,
there?
put it on.
You said zor se tawa to slap karo.
Yeah. Well,
this is good. But then don't we have to do the sake?
Yeah, after sake it.
Sake it.
Yeah. But not now.
How long does it take for roti to cook?
Yeah, wait. जब ये थोड़ी सी यूं हो जाएगी ना पूरी, then we turn it off. Turn over. कर दो. तो वो क्यों लिया चिमटा? हटो मैं चिमटा दूँ.
No, I want to do it like full desi mom style.
तो yeah, चिमटे से भी कर दिया. Yeah, what do you mean?
And then
we gonna kill ourselves?
Yeah,
burn ourselves.
Oh, I haven't smelled fresh roti in so long.
Wait it, and
don't
then
forget the chimtas.
Okay, now do it.
And now?
Now
but what is the point of this?
वो पक जाती लोग वो ऐसे दबाने से कहते हैं कि पक जाती जल्दी पक
But you
जाती.
could use like a spatula to do it too.
Yeah, you can do that too. ये तो पुरानी मेरी अम्मी के हो हैं tricks है. अब देखो नीचे से हो गई.
I am roti wali. That's it? That's my first roti?
Yeah. Okay, plate निकालो. Yeah, round तो तुमने इतने थप्पड़ मारे बेचारी
टेढ़ी.
टेढ़ी.
You said zor se maro?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
Okay guys, this is my first roti.
Okay, पूरे तवा जल गया, धुआं हो गया पूरे घर में.
Oh. Should I move? Atta's gonna fall on you. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And you're saying zor se?
नहीं जोर से नहीं मीडियम. इतनी भी जोर से मैं तो मजाक कर रही थी तुम तो जोर हाँ ऐसे.
Oh, okay, but this doesn't make it round anymore.
No, it does make it round. I'll do it and then I'll show you. You make this one. Okay, चलो डाल तोड़ दी. I used to do a lot.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's going in your stomach.
Yeah, but some people they don't like it. The husband
Dad?
is so no. Papa never say anything.
Dad don't care.
He doesn't care as long as he gets food. He say it's fine. And
oh, this is that's what I was gonna say. Like, is this the?
Yeah, याद है.
This is.
रोटियां बनती थी कि फिर अम्मी और मैं दोनों ये.
Oh,
faster
fancy.
I'll pick it up.
Okay, see, those are. How does it stay round? How you did that?
Front of
Look
you,
at my
I
roti.
didn't do anything.
Whoa, mom.
I think so. It comes by age.
Just really. Try the slapping technique one more time. She does so fast like this.
No, I didn't do that fast, Lara. Like you have to be careful and you don't put your hand too far. Put it, yeah. बस हो गई, फट गई रोटी. Lara.
Oh no! Oh no!
Lara!
Oh no! Oh no, you guys! It's too big and it's not. It's a square.
Lara.
क्या हो गया? Forget the round rotis.
Oh, my roti.
Mom just burned her roti too.
Because I'm.
Forget the round rotis, okay? This is 2019. We out here not making round rotis anymore. Create a new trend. We're gonna make rectangular rotis. Yes.
It's something else.
Geometric shapes. Oh my god, something is just not.
Oh my god,
Mama. You burned the roti. Look, she burned it.
Yeah, she burned it because of you.
I didn't know roti making is so much fun. Would have started way back.
Okay, now you're gonna make more?
Yeah.
Look at our rotis, Lava.
Oh, I did it.
Okay, that's
It's not round though. It's not round.
Why you stretch it? Why you stretch, Lava?
That one's my favorite.
That
one's my favorite. Telling was that make curry for your freaking thing, and then he's like, you only want me to make curry because you want curry. And I was like, yeah, obviously. Any burnt pieces? Yeah. Hot.
Why? Because it was thick.
Oh my god, no! Forget all of this. My mom used to make meathe parathe. Oh
my god.
So good. How did you make those? She used to like dip it in sugar. Oh my god, you guys. If you've never had meathe paratha, you are missing out on your life.
And the churi Papa used to make?
Yeah, and the churi, yeah. And then you would like, my dad would break it up and like, it would be, oh my god, it was so good. Let me show them my beautiful creations.
No.
This is one. This one's for dad. Because my dad would eat it no matter what. And this one can go to mom. My dad will eat, yeah, but I mean, this is really crunchy. This is actually the way my dad likes roti, mom. It's so crunchy.
He likes crunchy.
So he likes this type. I didn't even try to do the fire technique because, you know, I don't trust myself like that. Oh, I think I almost got a round roti.
Never, why did you do it now? We don't have a place?
It's okay. It's how it tastes count, and I tried it. It tastes like a normal roti does. You just take it and you dip it. Look, I didn't show you guys Cheddar this whole time. Look at his cute face. You're just the cutest little baby. Huh, Cheddar? You cutie pie? You cutie pie? Yeah. I know, you're so cute. If you guys have suggestions on what I should make next, I was thinking pakode. Okay.
I think so. I made pakode.
Tazi roti. Yeah. Let me know, okay? Something that's like fairly easy to make. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Yeah, if you guys have suggestions on what I should make next, please let me know, because I want to do this weekly if I can. Let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my mom's channel. Make sure you subscribe to my vlogging channel, Sana's channel, UZAIR's channel, everybody, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, I'm done. Go play. Jio, khush raho. You know, all that.